Alright guys, so we're back and today I'm going to be showing you my foolproof complexion routine. This is what I do when I just know I want my makeup to be snatched up. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I have a few different primers that I like switch in between. This one is just really good if you know you need your makeup to stay on for a while. Now I'm going to be moving on to the Chanel Ultra Latent Foundation. I use the shade BD 141 and this is definitely a pricier foundation, but I love it. It gives you such a nice finish to your skin. One thing I always try to let you guys know though whenever I am recommending this product is that it does have fragrance in it. So if you are sensitive to fragrance, please be mindful of that. Patch test it before you use it on your face because she does have like a very florally, perfumey type of scent to her. So that was just one layer of that. I feel like we're good. Anything that was missed, my concealer will get it. I am using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind and I use the shade Hazelnut. This is such a bomb concealer. The only thing I don't like about it is the packaging. The packaging is a little weird. I don't know why it was necessary for us to have like this little sponge with a clear top that is for sure gonna get dirty. But that's Maybelline's business. To blend out my concealer, I do use a sponge. And if you are new here, I do like to conceal like in layers. I don't feel like it should ever just be like dark light. It should always be like a gradient effect. It should never be harsh. And then I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Conceal Perfect. This is the shade Deep Tan, number 165. She's a bit more of a creamier concealer. And she is much lighter if you aren't noticing. I'm gonna go in and blend everything else out first before I go under my eyes, just because I want that pigment to really sit there and hold on there as much as possible. I'm gonna go in and pick up some of my Patrick Star one size. And I like to start it up here by my nose and then bring it out. I have really been enjoying the Fenty Cocoa Naughty powder bronzer. That's what she looks like. She's such a like just nice soft setting powder, and this brush is like my holy grail. This is the Huda, it's called the Face Build and Buff brush, so it's dual-sided. I use both of these sides, as you can see, but they're both dirty. So I'm gonna go in with the rounder side and apply my Cocoa Naughty where I normally would any sort of contour. And then I'm gonna go in, flip my brush over and use this triangular side. And this is when I use my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder. This is the shade Dark, number 3. And I just rub this brush. So I pick up a lot on one side of it and I just go like this. The fact that it's like triangular shaped and flat just makes it so easy to do. This is just like a game changer because you don't have to worry about getting a straight line with your like sponge and stuff. It's just like game changing. This is the Cover FX. This is one of their monochromatic blush duos. And this is in the shade Warm Honey. Now I know this shade looks like, girl, this not even about to give you no color. Watch. Look at that nice, pretty, goldeny shade. It just gives you like such a pretty soft pink glow. So pretty. All right, so I'm pretty much done here. My base is pretty much finished. All I have to do is my lips. And that's just how I know my makeup is gonna turn out bomb, is if I use these products, use these steps. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.